Welcome to watch the installation guide for Advansol Module Level Control Solution R. This is installation video for V2.5 control box DCON-S, model APT-CBDS product introduction and unboxing. Before installation, open the package and confirm all accessories are intact and undamaged. Prepare AC cables and suitable screws in advance. Internal structure of the control box. Before installation, ensure the DC side of the inverter is powered off and put on protective equipment. The V2.5 control box is installed on the DC cable between the photovoltaic inverter and the photovoltaic array, typically on the side closer to the inverter. DCON-S mounting methods. Fix the mounting ears on the back of the control box. Position the box and secure it to a wall or rack with appropriate screws. Peel off the adhesive from the antenna base and attach it firmly to the top of the box. Open the control box, confirm the breaker is off, then route 100 to 240 VAC power through the left waterproof connector to the breaker's upper terminal. Connect the DC bus positive directly to the inverter. Route the DC bus negative through the control box's magnetic ring before connecting to the inverter. After installation, ensure all components inside the control box are securely fixed. DCON-S installation verification note. During testing, keep the inverter grid connected, DC/AC enabled. Turn on the control box breaker. Use a clamp meter to test the strings. Ensure current values are normal. Turn off the breaker. Confirm the controlled string current drops to around 0 amps within 30 seconds. Re-energize the breaker and verify restored normal current in controlled strings. Check the inverter status to ensure no alarms or faults during the test. In the end, the installation of the V2.5 control box is complete.